Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week number 4. Now, the original plan when I started redoing the van was to have this done in 4 weeks. I can easily say we're probably not going to make that deadline. I'm interested to see how far we do get in just 4 weeks. This is where we're at right now. On Saturday, I finished this wall and did the bottom for this one. Today, I'm gonna put shiplap on this wall and finish it up. And I think I'm gonna be able to get this one done today too. This wall will look a lot like this one. I'm doing this in the bed area for the little extra space that it's gonna give me to lay the bed this way. I think it'll work out pretty well. Welcome back to the van. If it's your first time here, take a second to click subscribe because I'm in the middle of building out this Ford Transit so that I can visit every national park in the country. Plenty to get done, lots of sanding, and hopefully by Saturday, I'll be painting the entire van. But in order to do that, I need to get started. I need to add a support right here for the shiplap because this indents so heavily, and that's where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna glue that down, so I wanna get it down as fast as possible so it has time to set and I can finish that up tomorrow. Finished that, glued it up, ready to sit up overnight, and now I need to get started on this wall. I have to be a little more careful with this one, but there's still a good spot to anchor it down. This should work. That should do it. All's done all before lunch. There is one spot that I need to fill, so I'm gonna go get a scrap of this to fill this space. Because if something like my cell phone ever falls in there, it will be gone forever. So I'm gonna fill that before we go any further. It only took 2 tries, but I made a little piece that seems to fit pretty perfect right here. So I'm gonna glue that in and then eat lunch. I think this afternoon will be spent sanding the ceiling because I need to let this sit overnight. I'm actually gonna switch to the doors. I think this is gonna be pretty simple. The doors came with these black coverings on them, just like the whole van. This went right here. I'm gonna use this to trace the wood, and then I'm gonna actually use this black board as the insulation behind it. So I'm just gonna sandwich those together, glue them, and then put them up. Should be really fast and simple way to get this knocked out as well. procrastinated as long as I can. It's time to get some work done on the ceiling and also fill some of the new holes that I have. That's about it for today. I will catch you tomorrow where I have to finish sanding and we're gonna get this wall done. I'll see you then. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna be finishing the walls. I'm gonna start with these panels. I'm gonna glue these directly on the door to get the day started. I have the boards ready to go. I'm gonna glue them on and then tape them so they don't move. I did shut the doors so that I have a better angle to work with. Hopefully this goes on pretty easy and then stays there without very much trouble. So many things. That went really well. The plan is to paint them white, but it's kind of hard. I really like the look of them like this, so I'll have to debate that for a while. Everything else in the van will be white. These will be white, the ceiling will be white, all of the walls will be white. The table and the countertop are both gonna be stained natural wood. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I paint them white or should I stain them? I'm gonna get started on the wall. I knew I'd be at an impasse with this board and this big gap, but I'm choosing to make it look good over the utility of having a little extra space. So I'm actually going to build this wall out so that it meets the ceiling right here, and then this will all be hidden by the closet, so when it causes a problem here it won't be as big of a deal. This will just need to be closed off just like I planned, and those other boards will come to here so I can close that off. It's going to take up a little more space here, but I think it'll be worth it because this wall is such a big focal point in the van. I've had a second to be upset about it, and now I'm going to get it done. That is it for me today. I am so happy to see this transformation and finally see this wall come together. Tomorrow I have some places to go. I need to pick up another piece of shiplap so that I can finish that up. I'm gonna leave you here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a second to do that. I'll see you in a few days with more updates.